We see a woman sitting at her desk, typing on her laptop with a look of curiosity on her face. Friendly feminine introduction sentence. Hey everyone, have you ever wondered when blockchain technology will become a part of our daily routine? The scene transitions to a bustling city street with people using their smartphones and computers. Main story point 1. Blockchain technology, although still in its early stages, has the potential to revolutionize industries such as finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. Its decentralized, secure, and transparent nature is what sets it apart from traditional systems. Main story point 2. As more businesses and governments start to adopt blockchain technology, we are slowly seeing its integration into everyday life. From digital currencies to smart contracts, the possibilities are endless. The woman from the opening scene is now smiling as she watches a news report on her laptop about the latest advancements in blockchain technology. Uplifting ending sentence. So, let's keep an eye out for when blockchain technology becomes a seamless part of our routines. The future is bright.
Hey there. Today, let's talk about the surprising impact of discipline on virtual reality success. When it comes to mastering the world of virtual reality, discipline plays a crucial role. Just like any skill, becoming proficient in VR takes time, effort, and dedication. Whether you're learning to navigate through a virtual landscape or improving your hand-eye coordination in a VR game, discipline is key to unlocking your full potential. Main story point 1. Consistent practice is essential in VR. By setting aside dedicated time each day to engage with your VR equipment, you can hone your skills and improve your performance over time. The more you practice, the more comfortable and skilled you'll become in the virtual world. Main story point 2. Discipline also helps in overcoming challenges in VR. From tackling difficult levels in games to mastering complex virtual tasks, having the discipline to persevere through setbacks can lead to breakthroughs and accomplishments you never thought possible. So, remember, discipline is the key to virtual reality success. Keep pushing yourself, stay dedicated, and watch as your VR skills soar to new heights. Uplifting ending sentence. With discipline by your side, the possibilities in the virtual world are endless. Keep practicing, keep pushing, and you'll be amazed by what you can achieve.
Hey everyone, it's me, Sarah. Today, I want to talk about the shocking reason why blockchain discipline breaks naturally. You see, blockchain technology relies heavily on decentralization and consensus among its users. However, as the network grows and more nodes join in, maintaining discipline becomes increasingly challenging. With no central authority to enforce rules, it's easy for bad actors to take advantage of the system. Main story point 1. Without proper governance mechanisms in place, blockchain networks are vulnerable to manipulation and exploitation. This lack of discipline can lead to security breaches and fraudulent activities, putting users' trust and investments at risk. Main story point 2. Additionally, the anonymous nature of blockchain transactions makes it difficult to hold individuals accountable for their actions. This lack of accountability further contributes to the breakdown of discipline within the network. So, to combat this natural tendency for discipline to break within blockchain networks, it's crucial for developers and users to prioritize governance and accountability. By implementing transparent protocols and security measures, we can help protect the integrity of the blockchain ecosystem. Remember, together we can build a stronger and more secure blockchain network for the future. Stay disciplined, my friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Hey there, everyone. Today, I want to talk about the top 5 areas for consistent success in machine learning. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your skills, these tips will help you on your journey to mastering machine learning. First and foremost, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the fundamentals. Make sure you have a strong foundation in statistics, linear algebra, and calculus. These concepts are the building blocks of machine learning and will help you tackle more advanced techniques with confidence. Next, don't underestimate the power of practice. Machine learning is a hands-on field, so make sure you're constantly working on projects and challenging yourself to learn new things. The more you practice, the better you'll become at applying different algorithms and models to real-world problems. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to success in machine learning. By focusing on these areas and staying dedicated to your learning journey, you'll be well on your way to becoming a skilled machine learning practitioner. Keep pushing yourself, keep learning, and never give up on your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.